Mega cap tech recouping some losses after yesterday's pullback. CNBC's Mag 7 index now up about 1/3% after sinking yesterday. What does the sell-off, though, tell us about what's happening next? That's the focus of today's Tech Check with Deirdre Bosa. Hey, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So a few names, they stood out during yesterday's sell-off for their relative resilience. Surprise, surprise, they were all around AI. Microsoft and Meta, two plays that have had huge run-ups. They fell only around 2% each. And then you had the AI chip winners, Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom. They barely fell at all yesterday, suggesting that A, the generative AI tailwinds are stronger than the CPI headwinds, and B, the AI hype cycle is holding up the broader markets. And yesterday could have been a lot uglier. So there's a lot riding on the promise of generative AI, but it's not exactly clear that it's delivering. It may take longer than the market's expecting. A few examples here. One, that journal piece on Microsoft's Copilot, essentially saying that it's a dud so far. And a pretty brutal review for what B of A calls the linchpin of the AI monetization theme. Investors, they shrugged it off yesterday, but there is the risk that it continues to be a dud or maybe just a nice-to-have piece of tech, not a need-to-have. And that could be something different than what is priced in. Another under-the-radar example was the Airbnb earnings call last night and Brian Chesky's comments on AI. He downplayed some of the progress so far, saying that the interface is still stuck in the 2000s and 2010s. Case in point, none of your iPhone apps have fundamentally changed since the advent of generative AI. The third thing that I wanted to point out in terms of just balancing out the AI hype is Databricks CEO Ali Ghodsi's comments. He threw some cold water on the chip part of all of this. In the information publication, he compared it to internet bandwidth constraints in the 2000s, which ultimately disappeared. We actually sat down with him a few months ago on this very topic. Have a listen.
I actually think there's going to be a GPU glut this coming next year. When there is in market scarcity, the market rushes to produce. So I think we're going to see lots more GPUs next year. What is that going to do to prices? I think the prices of GPUs, of course, comes down.
And that speaks to this chart that's been going around recently, comparing Nvidia's rise to Cisco's rise in the late 1990s. Both charts are parabolic. Of course, there are many, many differences here, but back then it seemed obvious that Cisco was going to be the big winner out of the internet shift. And it is still early as the point in the Gen AI race. While the current winners were resilient yesterday, there's a lot more to come and maybe worth considering if they're going to be as resilient going forward if we see more volatility in the broader markets that has to do with CPI or jobs. Can generative AI continue to carry them?